Hey guys, welcome back to another cake tutorial. Today I want to show you guys how I do my glitter fades and how I apply pieces of transfer foils on top of my cover pink powders. I have gotten a lot of requests from people on Instagram asking me how to apply transfer foils, and they are troubling with applying transfer foils. So I wanna record this application more often on which I apply transfer foils, so you guys can get like a in view of how I apply transfer foils. I know it's something you have to play around with to get it, but I will try and do my best to record more often. As you guys know, I was MIA for a while. I was out of my comfort zone recording my applications, but I will try to keep up with this. Again, I had a lot of stuff going on. As you guys might know, I've opened my own salon. We are in lockdown right now, and I also run an online store on which I'm spending a lot of time, so it requires a lot of time to keep up with everything, as I'm still a one-man business owner. I don't have employees yet, so I have to do everything myself. So it's sometimes it gets a little rough, and yeah, bear with me guys. So let's catch up back on the tutorial. I'm applying cover pink powder on two fingers, which is the ring finger and the pointer finger. This is going to be full cover pink, and on these two fingers we are going to apply pieces of transfer foil. And I'm using cover pink from CakesInc.Nails, of course. I'm using my Acrylic Sculptor brush number 8 in the Master, which I absolutely love when it comes to applying acrylic onto clients with smaller nail beds. As you might have noticed, I'm always patting my acrylic into the shape of my nail. I'm not just applying it on and move on to the next nail. As you can notice now, I'm patting the acrylic and giving it shape at the same time. As you can see, I must stress this every time, so I have like a neat application and I have to do less filing at the end. Okay, so let me explain to you guys again. I'm applying a thin layer of cover pink powder just to like give the natural nail bed a little bit of color, and then on top of that I'm going to apply my glitter, and I'm going to make this like a glitter fade. It's not a glitter ombre, because if it was a glitter ombre, I had to like apply my glitter first and then drag the cover pink over it. But it's a glitter fade. It's supposed to be like fading into the cover pink. And after that is done, I'm going to encapsulate it using clear acrylic powder. And yeah, as I'm using a smaller acrylic brush, I have to apply a little bit more beads than usual than when I'm using a number 16 brush, because this time I'm picking like smaller beads and I have to make sure this nail is strong enough. So you are seeing me now picking like a second bead, and I'm placing that right in the middle to reinforce that nail. Swipe it down, patting it, giving it shape again to the shape I already gave the nail on with the first bead, and then a last bead again around the cuticle area, because sometimes we might overfile the cuticle area and you want to make sure there's a lot of not a lot but enough acrylic on there. So I'm going to use Butterfly Season Transfer Foil set number 19, which is also available on my online store. I'm going to cut the butterflies we are going to use in smaller pieces and then apply them onto the nail. To apply my transfer foil, I'm going to use Stick It Foil Gel, which is also available off my online store, you guys. This product is so amazing. I have never touched anything better before. I just apply it like gel polish, like a regular polish on top of my nail, and cure it for 60 seconds into the lamp, and then apply my transfer foil on top of it. Press it really good, and then remove it carefully. You can see right here I'm removing a piece of the transfer foil and I'm sticking it back to press it in again, because sometimes when you are removing it, it's like there's some pieces missing from the transfer foil that didn't stick properly. So you have to stick it back, press it again, stick it back, press it again, so you get the most pieces sticked on to the foil gel, if I explained it properly. I hope you guys understand what I mean. Before applying any gel top coat, any gloss top coat, any finishing gel, make sure you apply base coat or rubber base coat, one of the two, to seal the foil application. If you don't do this, your foil application will chip and your client won't ever want to do foils again with you. So make sure you stress this point. After that is done, you've cured your base coat, you've cured your rubber base, you're ready to go in with your gel top coat. In this case, I'm using Cakey Gloss gel top coat because that's my favorite. Apply your gel top coat, your finishing gel, anything of your choice to seal the deal, and your client is ready to go. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished results. I hope you guys learned something new and like this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and I hope to see you guys very soon again in my next one. Bye. Mwah.